Welcome to our channel. Today discuss about the MCQ of corporate accounting valuation of goodwill. Let us start. The first MCQ of the goodwill is defined as intangible asset. The answer is option A, intangible asset. Next, break-even indicated revenue are more than cost. Break-even DB revenue and cost are equal. C, cost are more than revenue. D, none of the above. The answer is option A, revenue are more than cost equal. And cost are equal. Third, the excess amount which is the firm can be get on the selling of the asset over the above the sellable value of its asset is called A, surplus, B, surplus profit, C, reserve, D, goodwill. Option D, goodwill. Next, a firm say goodwill is not affected by none of the above because there is not affected location, preparation, better, customer is a there is affected of goodwill. This question में there is not effect of the none of the above आएगा. Next, fifth, weighted average method of the calculate of goodwill is used when the profit so increase or decrease rate. There is average weighted average method. Next, 6. Under the capitalization method, the formula of calculating the goodwill is a super profit divided by rate of return. 7. The total capital employed in the company is rupees 8 lakh. A reasonable rate of return 50%. The profit of the year ending 12 lakh. The value of goodwill of the company as by the capitalization method find out. So in there is a question given of the profit of the year 12 lakh. So 12 lakh divide 15%. 50 multiplications 100, you will get 18 lakh minus the formula of capitalization method is a business value, that is a 18 lakhs return of the profit minus total capital employed of the company 8 lakhs. You will get the answer is option C, 72 lakhs. 8. The firm earn is a 1 lakh. The normal rate of return is a 10%. The asset of the company amount is a 11 lakhs and liability is a 1 lakh. The value of goodwill by the capitalization average range actually profit will be the actually profit कितना हुआ होगा, that will be net asset हमारी कितनी है 11 lakhs minus liability is a 1 lakh. You will get 10 lakh. 10 lakhs and 10 lakhs multiplication normal rate of the return of the profit is at 10%. So 10 lakhs multiplications 10%, you will get the answer is a option D, 1 lakh. देखो यहाँ पर 10 lakh multiplication percent. 9th, when there is a change the current partners Association there is the result of ending exiting aggregate and enter the formations of the new aggregate is known as of the reconstitutions of partnership. That is a relation of current partner. Tenth, XYZ are partner in the company sharing profit in the ratio of 4:3:2. That the balance sheet of the 31st March 2018 show the debit balance of the profit and loss account 1,80,000. From the 1st April 2018, they will be shared the profit equally. The journal entry given effect to the above the arrangement when the XYZ is a decide not close the profit and loss accounting. There is a one mistake of the प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस देयर इज इक्वली शेयर. तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, फाइंड आउट दैट इज अ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट 4:3:2 में शेयर कर. तो 1,80,000 एक्स का वाई का एक्स वाई एंड Z. तो divide into 4:3:2. There is a Y is 16,000 and Z is a 40,000 there is a 40,000 and X is a 80,000. But there is a mistake of 1st April 2018. There is a equally share of the profit. तो 1,80,000 divided by 3. तो all of member is a get 60,000 same. तो y is a 60,000 is a same, but the x is a very low amount of the 60,000 get. तो उसे 20,000 कम मिले हैं और z को 20,000 ज़्यादा. तो z is a transfer of 20,000 rupees to x. There is the transfer. The entry of transfer entry. So Z account debit and X account क्या होगा, credit. The answer is option B. Z account debit the 20,000 and credit of 20,000 is a X account. Will be clear. And next, अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो इसे लाइक और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर ज़रूर करना. अगर हमारे न्यू वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन पाने के लिए प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर लेना. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.